We have a new robot at our hospital. It's called the Corey, helping out with robotic total knees, which has been very exciting because it's getting patients back onto the slopes. I had one of my patients come in the other day. He was 88 years old. He was asking about a total knee replacement or if he was too old to have a total knee replacement. The patient wanted to start enjoying life again, and so we replaced his knee, and he hadn't skied for 5 years, and now he's back up on the ski slopes. I also had another patient come up from Utah that had both knees that were pretty bad. He was bone on bone. He wasn't able to do his horseback riding, wasn't able to go water skiing and enjoy life. 6 months ago, I did his first knee. Within about 4 months, he was back water skiing on Lake Powell. They sent a picture of that. And I did his other knee about 2 months ago. He's already back to horseback riding, building shops, shoveling gravel, building roads, and he's very pleased. One technique we have here is we do robotic assisted total knees. We also do a muscle sparing, minimally invasive total knee approach. With the robotic assistance, it allows us to get it more personalized or customized to the patient. And with the muscle sparing technique, we leave the quadriceps tendon alone. We don't have to cut up into it. We go off to the side and move the whole muscle belly to the side, and it gives patients a quicker recovery so they're able to get back to what they love doing. When is it time to get a total knee? When it's affecting their activities of daily living, they're unable to do the things they love, and it's keeping them up at night and disrupting their sleep. That's when I say it's time. Patients also come to me asking, am I too young? You treat the pathology, not the birth certificate. I've had patients come to me that are 41 years old with severe hip pain, that it's been affecting their activities. They can't play with their kids, they can't go out and do the things they love. And after the total hip, it changes their life. Same with total knees. I'm having 45-year-olds coming in with severe knee pain and unable to go play sports with their kids, go hiking, biking, and after the total knee, they're able to enjoy life again.